In a magical forest lived Lama, a kind squirrel. But one day, a strange sadness fell, and the vibrant colors began to fade. The forest slowly turned gray, losing its sparkle. Lama watched with a heavy heart as her beautiful world muted. She discovered a tiny faded bird, its feathers dull, its spirit low. It looked so lost and sad. Lama's heart ached. She knew she had to help. Gently, she offered a comforting paw to the little bird. A miracle unfolded. A faint blush of color returned to the bird's feathers, a tiny spark of life. The colors spread like a gentle wave, painting the forest anew. Slowly, majestically, the vibrant hues flooded back. The forest awoke, bursting with life and joy. Lama and the bird, now bright and cheerful, stood amidst the splendor. Kindness truly brings life and color back to the world.